Hello guys, and welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, I will show you how to withdraw NOTCOIN from Telegram wallet to any exchange. Alright, so for my case, I'll be using Binance, in which I'll withdraw NOTCOIN from Telegram wallet to my Binance account. Alright, so the first step is to come to your Binance application and then come to add funds over here. Okay, add funds is this one which is in yellow, the one I'm tapping. So you tap on that, add funds. So you tap on deposit crypto, and now you can come and search for NOTCOIN. Okay, you come and search for NOTCOIN, it's over there, and then make sure to select the network. Network for NOTCOIN is TONCOIN over here. All right, so when you select the network, make sure you copy the wallet address. Okay, so the wallet address is over here. Okay, so you have to copy this. So when you copy this, you go to Telegram and then you send the coins using this address. So guys, you have to note here, they warn you that both memo and an address are required to successfully deposit your NOT to Binance. So you have to take note of this. And then here it says memo is required or you'll lose your coins. So you have to take care of this, or you have to take note of this. All right, so you need this one, the deposit address, and also the NOT memo over here. So this is the deposit address. So we are going to first paste the deposit address, then we shall come back and paste the NOT memo coin. All right, so first of all, let's copy the deposit address over here. All right, so after copying it, we head over to our Telegram. So Telegram is like this. Open your wallet, tap on the three dots there, then come to wallet. All right, so the wallet is open. So to see the NOTCOIN, come to more assets here, and you see NOTCOIN is the last one here. So remember, you're assuming you have NOTCOIN in your Telegram wallet. So you tap on NOTCOIN here. Okay, when you tap on NOTCOIN, tap on send. Remember, you're sending to another exchange, which is Binance. So you tap on send, and then you have to tap on OK. All right, so right now it shows that you don't have any NOTCOIN, but assuming you have the NOTCOIN, you just tap on send over here, and you go ahead and then input the wallet address, the one you copy from Binance over here, and then the NOT memo over here. Okay, so after inputting both of them, you proceed, and your coins will head over to your Binance application over here. So the main thing is that take note of this, the deposit address, and then the NOT memo over here, guys. So that's it, guys. Make sure to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Until next time, we shall meet once again.